In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add link buttons on Weebly. This is an essential skill for enhancing the interactivity and navigation of your website, allowing visitors to quickly reach important pages or sections. First, open your preferred web browser and go to the official Weebly website. Click the sign in button to access your account, and once logged in, you will land on your dashboard. Here, locate the website tab and select Edit Site to enter the editor where all the customization happens. Inside the Weebly Editor, direct your attention to the top left corner and click the plus icon, then select Section to create a new area for your button. From the sidebar, click on Button and a default button will appear in your chosen section. Next, personalize your button. Choose a layout and color style that complements your site's theme and branding. Once you're happy with the design, double-click the button. This will open a new sidebar on the left side of the editor. Here, find the Add Link option under the button settings. Now it's time to decide where your button will lead. You can link it to another page on your site, a specific section within the same page, or even an external URL. There's also an option to open the link in a new tab, which is particularly useful for external sites or if you want visitors to keep your page open. Once your settings are configured, click Save to lock in the changes. Before finishing, click Preview to make sure the button looks and works as intended. If everything is perfect, hit Publish to make the button live on your site. And that's it. You've successfully added a link button to your Weebly website. Explore additional styles and placements to continue enhancing your site's navigation and user experience. Thanks for watching and happy website building.